So what's happening, bafethu, what's happening? Ngicela sikhulume ngale movie kaTyler Perry esanda kuphuma ilento. Ini Straw. I think it came out on Friday on Netflix. And everyone has been talking about it. Hey, bafethu iyadabukisa. And it does. It's actually a sad movie. It gets you all teared up. Not for me though. Like I didn't get teared up for the movie. No, it didn't. But I have a few things to say about the movie. And firstly, I would actually like to say it was a good movie. The storyline was great. My takeaway from the movie is Uguti, hey, everyone goes through something. Some people have it worse, you understand? And yabona leyanto leyana, it shows us Uguti, we should not hide the pain. We should live it, take your time, heal. I understand. That's my takeaway from the movie. But talking about the movie as a whole, as well, I would like to say I give ups to Taraji. Miss Taraji actually pulled through. She came and she ate and left no crumbs, guys. She did it all. See, she saved the movie. If it wasn't for her, I don't know what the movie would have been like. And for Nakona, I would like to also take my hat off for Tyler Perry for giving the comedian who actually had a stroke a couple of years back, Sinbad. He's the guy who on the wheelchair. I saw that as well when I was impressed. I was like, wow, Sinbad, God, the last time I actually saw him, I think it was some award ceremony. I don't know if it was ET or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm not quite sure what was it. But it was a good movie. Now the downside of it is the fact that some people are not happy at Tyler Perry always portraying abantu besifazane, abantu abamnyama, particularly like black women. He actually categorizes them in a certain way. Like he stereotypes them as these people who are always struggling, you know. And I'm not quite sure what is it about, because with Family That Prays, Diary of a Mad Black Woman, there are certain like storylines available directed kubantu besifazane angabi mnandi, yabo. So that's just how he does his stuff. But other than that, I think it was a good movie. A good movie. Look, out of 10, I would rate it maybe possibly a 7.5, 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, that's how much good it was. And I would say it was just about acting. There was no CGIs, no expensive location setups. So it's here, like America, Europe, you know, like these spy movies. Nah, it wasn't like that. Studios. The whole thing was in Tyler Perry's. So this is what I think about the movie, guys. Please go check it out. It is not a promo. I'm just saying, like, get the feel of it. Have your own idea around it. Okay.